Hello children, how are you? Children, in my previous video I have explained question number 1 of exercise 8.2, how to multiply the monomials. Okay, now in this second part, today I am going to continue with the second part. Okay, in this we have to find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths. Okay, here we have to find out the area of rectangle. You know, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, here the length and breadth are both monomials and we have to find the area. Okay, so let's see how to do. Now first question, the first part is the length is P. You can mention it like this: length is P and your breadth is Q. Okay, and area of a rectangle is your L into B. In my previous videos I have explained how to multiply two monomials, one monomial, how to multiply a monomial with by a binomial. Okay, similarly how we can multiply two binomials, I have explained it all. Okay, so you know that area of a rectangle is L into B. So what we have taken L or length as, here it is P. Okay, and we have taken B or breadth as Q, and P into Q is PQ. Okay, children, the proper way of writing such type of question is that you need to mention, if there is some formula related to that, you need to specify that. आपको लिखना चाहिए. Okay, so here area of rectangle is L into B, so it is P into Q and Q, and you should also mention the units also, but as it is not mentioned in the question, so I am not writing. Okay, the area of rectangle or areas are mentioned because they are two dimension, so we need to write the units in the square form. Okay, so as it is not mentioned here in the question, so no need to write. You can just write P and P into Q. So area of a rectangle here is PQ. Okay, now come to the second part. Now the second part is length is 10n and breadth is 5n. Okay, so you should specify like this: L is 10n and your breadth is 5n, and you know that area of a rectangle is L into B. Okay, so in L space you will write the monomial 10n multiplied by breadth, and breadth is given as 5n. Okay, now the numerical coefficient will be multiplied. 10 5s are 50, and this m into n will be mn. So this is the area of rectangle 50 mn. Okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Children, the third part is 20x square and 5y square. It means length is your 20x square and your breadth is 5y square. And you know that area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So in length place we will write 20x square into 5y square. Okay, now the numerical coefficient will be multiplied. 20 into 5 is your 100, and x square into y square will be x square into y square. So this is the area of the rectangle. So children, the last part of the question is length as 3mn and breadth is your 4np. Okay, now area of rectangle is equal to, so first you mention the formula L into B. Okay, so here L is 3mn into breadth is 4n B. Okay, now first multiply the numerical coefficient, 3 and 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so here n into n, so the bases are same, operation of multiplication is there, so according to laws of exponents we have to add the power. Here the power both are having 1 as power, so 1 plus 1 2 and this is your into B. So the area of rectangle is equal to 12mn square B. Children, if you are fine with the explanations and still if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified with whenever I upload my next video. Thank you.